Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about new luxury swimming pool indoor decor ideas and design. A luxury door swimming pool is the ultimate dream for many people. It is place where you can relax and unwind no matter what the weather is like outside, and with the right decor you can make your indoor swimming pool even more luxurious and inviting. Here are a few new trends in luxury swimming pool indoor decor. Natural materials. Natural materials are always a popular choice for luxury interiors, and they can also work well in an indoor swimming pool. Consider using wood, stone, or marble for the pool desk, walls, and furniture. Tropical vibes. If you are looking for a more tropical feel, try incorporating some elements of natural into your pool decor. This could include plants, flowers, or even a waterfall. Modern design. For a more modern look, try using clean lines and geometric shapes in your pool decor. You could also add some pops of color to give the space a more contemporary feel. Smart technology. Smart technology is becoming increasingly popular in luxury homes, and it can also be used to enhance your indoor swimming pool. You can install smart light that can change colors or brightness, or even a smart pool cover that can open and close automatically. These are just a few new trends in luxury swimming pool indoor decor. With a little creativity, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in learning more luxury swimming pool indoor decor, be sure to check out the links in the description below, and if you have any question, leave a comment